Yo, 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 what's going on? Welcome back, welcome back. If you're here, I'm glad that you're here. Got the R1 out. It's not too bad today. It's a little bit chilly right now, but it's gonna warm up a little later. But taking the R1M out, we got a little motorcycle meet, and I figured I'd do something a little different for you guys today. Get a little bit more behind the scenes action, a little bit more talk about the bikes, a little bit more of everything. I've been getting a lot of questions lately asking what's done to my bike, the other bikes, and you know, all this other stuff. I'm gonna go over a few things and go from there. You know, it's funny because anybody who know me or seen my bike, you will know that my bike is like the basic out of everything. But I don't know if it's just because, you know, I'm well known. But you know, a lot of people try to, you know, a lot of people got hidden agendas when they race me, or they're so happy when they do race me, or if they beat me or something. And 9 times out of 10, I race a lot of max effort bikes. When I say max effort, I mean, you know, the single rotor, all the weight reduction, swing arm, all that jazz against my full weight bike. And you know me, I put the R1M up against anybody. But you know, people sometimes they may beat the R1M and then say, oh, it's because I tuned it or whatever. Like, no, that's not why. It's the bike setup and everything. All that stuff matters. So I just think it'd be so, it's just funny to me when people beat bikes or something and then blame it like the reason why they lost was because of the tuner, or you know, this tuner tuned this bike versus the other tuner tuned that bike. That is just so retarded, because it's a combination of everything goes into factor. If you build a head and cam bike max effort, it don't really matter who tunes it. Even if it's just a okay flash, that bike is still going to run hard. To say that this tuner is better than that tuner or whatever, 9 times out of 10, that's bull crap. Now, most cases, yes, a lot of tuners really don't grasp some of the fundamentals of what makes a bike faster. But even me, like, bro, that's why you'll never see me going around talking about Tiger Tune is the best, this and that, because it's retarded. I mean, you can be the best tuner in the world. If somebody's, if there's a 150-pound pro racer and there's a 250-pound pro racer, the exact same bike, same everything, that 250-pound rider is going to lose. Or even in the same scenario where there's a 150-pound rider against a bike that's full weight and one that's fully set up, the fully set up bike is going to beat the other bike, assuming everything is equal. You know, scales, all the other stuff. So that's why every time I see this stuff, it just blows my mind. Even with some of the like races that because I get it a lot, you know, because the R1M it likes to run, baby. It likes to run everybody. But when I see stuff like, oh man, that bike's slow, it needs another tuner or something like that. What? Man, you smoking. Any stock motor, full weight like bike, average like mine, man, I'll give, even the max effort bikes, I give a good run. So if people really want to look at it like that, then obviously I must really know what I'm doing, because this bike just has a air filter, it's lower, and they got a Yoshimura slip on. So I'm on stock gearing right now. You know, so when people start saying stuff like that, I just find it so funny, because it's like, man, well, if that bike has got the best tuner and it's max effort and this and that, and then you're struggling against my bike that's just basic, then what does that really say, you know? But I'm getting off topic. We finna have some fun. I'm about to pull up, see who's over here, see if we can have us a blast, keep everybody safe. What's up, fellas? Has that always been gray?
So what?
Those bottom fairings always been that gray color?
Yeah, these come out these right here.
Yeah. Oh. It looks different.
I'm telling you, man, every time I see a bike now, I'm like, man, should have got the M. Should have got the M.
Yeah, it's all good. It's still a nice looking bike, so
Yeah, what's up, man?
it's all good. Man, Maz, I'm up here, bro, and I don't see you. Where you at, man?
What's up?
Bro, where you at?
I ain't coming out.
Oh, bro, you got me hyped up for nothing, man. There's Brian over there. If any of y'all sports fans. But yeah, everybody over here, man, getting ready to roll out, doing their thing. It's a lot of bikes. I'm probably just gonna record, hang out in the back, and just do my thing. He don't play no more?
Huh?
He don't play anymore?
What happened?
What team he play for now?
No, he played for Vikings. I mean, not Vikings. Ravens.
Okay.
Hey, you can't tune a 2020 on one, can you?
Yeah, definitely a lot of bikes. Turbo ZX10R. Dang, them people just wrecked, man. Somebody come fly. Tell a story. Somebody fly. Come up. ride on that side, it's a lot of nails and stuff over there.
Man, that's ugly.
Huh?
You see, I was tank swapping like crazy.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, if your camera is on, you'll see it right behind you. The white booster.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, you want to put your, I thought these came with a stabilizer, though.
I know it came with it, but I'm telling you, something I'm going to have to get a different one. But, man, I've never had the same one on my own.
I wonder if they disabled it, because you can disable them and adjust them in the tune, so I wonder if they like didn't play with it all the way or something.
I'm telling you, man, that's crazy. That never had over. Third to fourth? I don't like that, man.
Yeah, if it's doing it that bad, then yeah, just chill. Yeah.
It was like, you know what? It was on like in a straight line. It's alright, but you know, it was on the curve. It's something.
Yeah. That's probably what it is.
His white booster stopped running.
Yeah, I saw him on the side of the road, but I don't know.
I just talked to Eric. They about to load it up right now at the Kroger.
Oh, okay.
Some fast shit out here today, boy.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, you gotta either get it off the ground or keep it planted. Nah, cause that's what I was saying. Mine, cause this is only my third time riding this bike. Oh yeah. I have an 07 1000, and that's what I was saying. Oh yeah. Well, you need straps. Man,
Yeah.
That's just scared me. I said, oh man.
Oh, it was that bad?
Yeah, it was bad. I told you it was. Did you record me standing on it? Man, nah, my battery did. Oh, yeah, I know. I had to say it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that shit was weird, man.
Yeah.
That four-way that we had was a fucking good.
Oh, that four-way was fucking amazing, dude.
I missed third to fourth. I was so pissed.
I wasn't finna get in it, but he hadn't made enough room, so I was like, let me squeeze in.
Yeah.
It sounded like you hit the limiter or something.
I fucking, going to third to fourth, I fucking completely missed it.
Yeah.
Fourth, I fucking
Third to
bounced
fourth, I
it.
missed, I was like, fuck.
Yeah, I heard something from you for sure. Yeah, it'll get better too once you lower it. Once you lower it, yeah, it'll make it better. But even then, though, that stabilizer should have.
It still should have. I mean, it corrected itself, but I'm telling you, it was like, yeah, it was all up.
Yeah. If it got that bad, then man, it's something. It must not be need to be all to be adjusted or something. Because it shouldn't even let it get to that point where it's going like that.
What year is it? Huh? What year is it? Yes. Yeah. 18. Oh, no, I am. Yeah. I was dropped there. No, actually, that's where.
Yeah, his scraps at my shop.
We have all the parts or whatever. It's just literally just got there. If you lower it, it should get rid of that head shake. Oh yeah. Yeah, because I was gonna say my 07, I've never even done that once on a. Until I lowered it. As soon as I lowered it, it went away. Oh, once you lowered it? When I lowered it, the head shake was like, these things are like, this is barely hovering, but you kick it up and you come back down, it's gonna fucking shake. Yeah. You can't get away from that. Oh, shit. Woo. Saved it, bro. Out of 18 years, I think that's probably the worst. I'm doing flag racing. That one time barely skipped that.
All right, time to make some magic happen, baby.